Hey friends, if you encounter the error the Universal Unique Identifier UUID type is not supported on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, we need to open the registry editor window. So search for registry editor and open the registry editor window. Now we have a path here. I'll navigate to this path. It is HKey local machine, system, current control set, services, GPSVC. Okay, this is actually a key. Right click on it, select permissions, then select your name here and then give it full control. Okay, and then click on apply and then on OK. Now I'm not an administrator, so I cannot give that, but you have to do this. Now we have a command here. Copy this command, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Okay, in my case access was denied, but you will get the successful message because I'm not an administrator. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.